This is why there's a barrier to entry. This is why not everybody's doing land, because it's patience. You know, you're looking at 5-6 months down the road before you ever get paid on a deal like this. It's big numbers. We're talking big numbers, a lot of information, you know, and what we haven't even touched on here, which we touch on again in the training, is the contract periods. So there's a lot more. This is why there's a barrier to entry. This is why not everybody's doing land, because it's patience. You know, you're looking at 5-6 months down the road before you ever get paid on a deal like this. But man, 300 grand, you do 3 of those a year, you're almost $1 million.
It's incredible.
You know?
So for a new person that's outside looking in, that has very little real estate experience, right? Or maybe they've wholesaled a house or two, but the thought of land and the due diligence and the acquisition is very daunting, right? Like, holy cow, how would I even start to getting into that, right?
Totally.
Partner up.
Definitely.
Right? Partner up. Find people in your network. Find people that know the strategy, that can map out the formula, right? Like I say it all the time. JV partnerships, joint venture partnerships make the world go round.
Yeah, dude.
I'm not big on permanent long-term partnerships, because that's really it's a marriage. Yeah, you're married to that person, and people's interests change, right? One person can have kids, one might not, and just you change over time, right? So to that point, short-term partnerships make the world go round, right? 100%. So find somebody that already is doing the deals, that's already in the trenches, closing deals, and have the results that you're seeking. Partner up. You're going to learn through that process, and you're all going to make money doing it.
100%. And no matter what level you're at, there's always opportunity for that. I mean, I'm trying to figure out how to JV with the developer so I can learn how to actually take it through entitlements and present an engineering plan to the planning and development department, because I don't know how to do that yet.
Doubling your revenue, right? So we're just going to assume, right, whatever you're making on the acquisition, of course, it's not going to go right across the board, but probably it make about that same amount developing a lot, right?
Yep. I mean, my developer, he's got, I think, 12 projects in the works right now in the upstate of South Carolina. And each one, he's probably going to make $4 to $6, maybe more, $100,000 on per development. Sometimes over $1 million on one project.
Wow. Yeah. You're looking at just the projects he has in process, $6 million.
Yeah.
Right?
Crazy money, dude.
It's nuts, right? And once you start to surround yourself with these types of people, it starts to expand the way that you think and what you think is possible.
Yeah, that $20 million number, that's kind of scary when you first look at it. But when you start talking with these people and seeing these deals actually close and transactions happen, well, now you can talk to a seller confidently when they want, you know, even if it's a really valuable property and they're like, I want $4.5 million for it. You're not afraid to negotiate and talk to them, because it's not such a scary number. You're working with $20-40 million projects, you know?
Because you have a seat at the table.
Exactly.
It's that simple, right?
100%.
Like $1 million a year used to seem like super far-fetched for me. Like,
celebrity status.
I mean, I wonder what it's like, right?
Yeah.
Until you realize that $1 million a year is not even that much money.
Dude. In comparison to what people are making out here, and where $1 million can go nowadays with inflation at 10+%, $1 million is not nothing.
I mean, millionaires the new middle class.
Basically,
if we look at it,
kind of sad to say, but basically,
it's soon going to be lower class if we're being honest. Looking at the value of a dollar going down.
Yeah, let that be encouragement. We got to get out here and hustle while we can.
Yeah,
you know, we can't just sit on the sidelines anymore if we want a chance to have a seat at the table ever.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So how do we get these people plugged in?
Yeah, man.
Have them visit the link.
Visit the link. The link will take you to the training. That training will give you just an awesome overview intro of most of the stuff you need to know to get started. And then, like you said, JV, we have no problem you learning, you JVing with us, and then going out and starting your own thing. But in the very beginning, if you're, learn what you can from this program, bring us deals. We'll be happy to help you close them. And then when you feel ready, by all means, try to take one down yourself.
Take that blueprint, right? And build out that process, right? And when the time is right, you go out there and get it.
Yep. 1,000%.
Yep. So land acquisition strategy, click the link, free training, right? We empower more people, help more people win. Kind of adopted the mindset of win with your friends.
Yeah.
Why not connect and collaborate with friends across different networks, right? We're all winning together. We're all doing deals together. right? And
it's more fun that way.
A raising tide raises all ships.
Yep.
It's more fun, bro.
I love it. Thank you so much, dude.
Absolutely, man.
It's been great.
Bro, getting out there, changing lives, and changing the family tree at the same time.
Yep. That's what it's about.
Absolutely, man.
Let's do it. Let's go kill it, guys.
Go kill it. Boom.